So I wanted to make a quick video explaining this concept and demo app that I built during the recent 2016 April Hack Upstate hackathon. And so originally the concept for this app came about last fall when I was looking at a temperature gauge on a wood-burning stove, and I knew that the stove was heating up and that the temperature gauge was moving, but I couldn't see it moving, and I wanted to figure out a way that I could perceive time differently and basically see motion that was too slow to see with the naked eye. And typically when you record a time lapse, you might record for a couple minutes or much longer, and then only after the fact can you actually see what it looks like sped up. So I wanted to experiment with the idea of a real-time time lapse that you can actually watch as it's being recorded. And so this is the app. I actually had the help of Joe Arcuri, who is a UX designer out of Saratoga Springs, New York. So he helped with some of the design. I think we're probably going to release this to the App Store at some point, but right now it's a pretty rough demo. So what you see here on the left side is what my camera on my phone is seeing. And so when I hit the record button, it'll start recording, and after 3 seconds, we'll see that 3-second video play back on the right side. But then after 6 seconds, it takes that full 6 seconds and compresses it into 3 seconds. And after 9 seconds, the same thing. So basically, every 3 seconds, it's adding an additional 3 seconds to the time lapse and then compressing it down into 3 seconds. So we can already see that after about 30 seconds, we have a pretty lengthy time lapse playing. And you know, typically I think what I'll do is make that loop so that you can continue to watch it. But also right now at this point it has an export, so you can export it to any of the different system share screens or any of the apps that are installed. But yeah, that's the concept, and let me know your feedback.